What is a spine? The spine, also known as the backbone or vertebral column, is a series of bones, called vertebrae, that runs from the base of the skull to the tailbone. It provides structural support and protects the spinal cord. What are vertebrae of the spine? The spine consists of special bones called vertebrae. Vertebrae are the 33 individual bones that interlock with each other to form the spinal column. The vertebrae are numbered and divided into regions. These are 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 5 sacral vertebrae, 4 coccygeal vertebrae. What are the 5 parts of the spine? The spine is divided into 5 main sections: cervical spine, thoracic spine, lumbar spine, sacral spine, and coccygeal spine. These sections are formed by individual vertebrae that interlock to create the spinal column. Cervical spine is formed by the top 7 vertebrae, numbered C1 to C7, supporting the head and allowing for head movement. Thoracic spine is the middle part of the spine, consisting of 12 vertebrae, T1 to T12, attaches to the ribs and contributes to posture. Lumbar spine is the lower back, made up of 5 vertebrae, L1 to L5, bears the weight of the upper body and allows a wide range of movement. Sacrum is a triangular bone, formed by the fusion of 5 vertebrae, S1 to S5, located at the base of the spine, and connecting it to the pelvis. Coccyx, the tailbone, formed by the fusion of 3 to 5 small coccygeal vertebrae, located at the very end of the spine. What is a normal spine curvature? A healthy spine, when viewed from the side, exhibits a gentle S shape due to 3 natural curves. The cervical spine of neck has a slight inward curve, known as a lordotic curve. The thoracic spine of upper back has an outward curve, known as a kyphotic curve. The lumbar spine of lower back has a slight inward curve, also a lordotic curve. What is a normal front view of the spine? When viewed from the front or back, the spine should appear as a straight line from the base of the neck to the tailbone, with no significant side-to-side curvature. Any significant deviations from this straightness, particularly side-to-side, are considered abnormal and may indicate a condition, like scoliosis. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one.